Welcome to our video on the top 5 best 107-sided wide-angle dual dash cams. With built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, dash cams have become an essential tool for drivers, providing evidence in case of an accident and helping to deter theft and vandalism. With dual cameras, you can record both the front and rear of your vehicle, giving you a complete view of any incident. In this video, we'll be showcasing the best dash cams on the market with a 107-sided wide-angle lens, built-in Wi-Fi, and GPS. These features allow you to easily share footage with your insurance company or law enforcement, as well as track your location and speed. We carefully selected and tested each of these dash cams to ensure they meet our high standards for video quality, ease of use, and reliability. So whether you're a professional driver or just want an extra layer of protection on the road, we've got you covered. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the top 5 best 107-sided wide-angle dual dash cams with built-in Wi-Fi and GPS. Number 5. Helico HDC 24K Dual Dashcam with built-in Wi-Fi GPS. The Helico Dashcam with built-in Wi-Fi GPS is an impressive device that has been recently reviewed by a user. The camera boasts a modern and sleek design that seamlessly integrates with the car's interior. It is compact and easy to install. The 4K resolution provides incredibly clear footage, even in low-light conditions, and the dual camera system captures both the front and rear of the car simultaneously, providing ample detail and making it easier to identify important details, such as license plates. The built-in GPS is a standout feature of the Helico Dashcam. It allows users to track their route and speed and can prove to be quite helpful in the case of accidents, as it can help determine fault. The camera also has built-in Wi-Fi, which makes it incredibly easy to transfer footage to a smartphone or laptop. The included 64GB card provides ample storage space, and the camera supports up to 256GB. Which should be more than enough for most users. The user found the dashcam's interface to be user-friendly and was able to easily access all the features in settings. The device also has an emergency recording mode, which is activated in case of a sudden impact, providing users with peace of mind knowing that their footage is always safe and secure. Overall, the Helico Dashcam with built-in Wi-Fi GPS is an excellent device that provides excellent video quality, a user-friendly interface, and a variety of helpful features that make it an excellent choice for drivers. The included 64GB card and support for up to 256GB make it a great value for money. Highly recommended. Click the link in the video description for more details or to order. Up next, Number 4. Kuo D31080p FHD built-in GPS Wi-Fi dash car camera. The Kuo Wi-Fi dash car camera has received high praise from its customers, and it is no surprise why. The product boasts impressive features, including 1080p Full HD video quality, infrared night vision, a 170-degree wide-angle lens, built-in GPS and Wi-Fi, and a G-sensor. Customers have been particularly impressed with the video quality, which captures clear and crisp footage even in low-light conditions. The infrared night vision is a great addition that provides clear video in complete darkness. The 170-degree wide-angle lens ensures that everything in front of the car is captured, increasing visibility and safety. The built-in GPS and Wi-Fi are also standout features of this dashcam. The GPS records the car's speed and location, which can be helpful in the event of an accident. The Wi-Fi connectivity allows for easy transfer of footage to a phone, where it can be viewed using the Kuo app. One of the most useful features of this product is the G-sensor, which automatically saves footage in case of a collision. This provides an added layer of safety and security, as incidents can be recorded and potentially used as evidence. Installation of the dashcam is straightforward, and the device itself is well made and durable. The small size and discreet design make it easy to place on the dashboard without obstructing the driver's view. Overall, the Kuo Wi-Fi dash car camera is a reliable and high-quality product that has exceeded customers' expectations. Anyone in search of a reliable dashcam to capture footage while driving would be well served by considering this product. Click the link in the video description for more details or to order. Up next, Number 3. Jixio DC306S 4K Dual Dash Camera. The Jixio DC306S 4K Dual Dash Camera has recently caught the attention of many vehicle owners for its impressive features. One satisfied customer who recently purchased the product was particularly impressed with its performance and shared their review. The customer commended the camera's built-in Wi-Fi and GPS system, which made it easy to transfer files and track their vehicle's location. They also praised the camera's ability to capture footage in 4K resolution, ensuring that every detail is clearly visible. The 107-sided wide-angle lens was also mentioned as a great feature, as it allowed for comprehensive footage coverage of the road while driving. The camera's night vision feature was also Noted as being very effective in low-light conditions, the customer found the installation of the camera to be very easy, thanks to the sturdy mount provided with the product. They appreciated the camera's automatic start feature, which activates as soon as the car is turned on. They also highlighted the built-in G sensor, which automatically saves footage in the event of an accident. One minor concern mentioned was the size of the camera, which some drivers may find obstructs their view. However, the benefits of the camera far outweigh this issue. Overall, the customer highly recommended the Jixio DC306S 4K dual dash camera to anyone in search of a reliable and high-quality camera for their vehicle. Its many impressive features and outstanding performance make it a worthwhile investment for any car owner. Click the link in the video description for more details or to order. Up next, Number 2. WiFi App 129 Dual Wi-Fi GPS Dual Dash Camera. The WiFi dash camera is a highly regarded product among drivers who prioritize safety and security while on the road. Recently purchased by a satisfied customer, this dash camera boasts a range of features that provide an additional layer of protection while driving. One of the most notable features of the WiFi App 129 Duo is its WDR Super Night Vision technology, which captures clear and detailed footage in low-light conditions. The camera's dual lens setup provides comprehensive coverage of both the front and rear of the vehicle, ensuring that all angles are covered. Equipped with GPS technology, the WiFi App 129 Duo provides accurate location tracking and speed monitoring, making it a valuable asset in the event of an accident or other incident on the road. The WiFi App 129 Duo also has motion detection capability, ensuring that the camera is always recording when it senses movement, even when the vehicle is parked and unattended. This provides drivers with peace of mind knowing that any potential incidents or theft attempts will be captured on camera. The camera's Wi-Fi connectivity is also a convenient feature, allowing for quick and easy transfer of footage to a phone or other device. The WiFi app makes it simple to view and manage footage. Overall, the WiFi dash camera is a reliable and effective investment for drivers who prioritize safety and security while on the road. Its various features and capabilities provide drivers with an additional layer of protection and peace of mind while driving. Click the link in the video description for more details or to order. Up next, Number 1. Red Tiger F7N Plus 4K Full HD Dash Camera. The Red Tiger HD Dash Camera is an impressive device for anyone looking to capture high-quality footage while on the road. The camera comes with a range of features that make it stand out from other dash cams in the market. Firstly, the camera captures footage in stunning 4K resolution, providing crystal-clear video recordings of your journeys. The camera also has an impressive 107-tight wide-angle lens that ensures that you can capture a wider view of the road, reducing blind spots and ensuring that you capture more details of your surroundings. The camera is also equipped with night vision capabilities that allow you to capture footage even in low-light conditions. The night vision mode is particularly useful for those who do a lot of driving at night, as it ensures that you can capture clear and detailed footage even in dark environments. One of the standout features of the Red Tiger F7N Plus is the built-in Wi-Fi and GPS functionality. The Wi-Fi capability allows you to connect the camera to your smartphone, making it easy to download and share your footage with others. The GPS feature also enables you to track your journey and location, providing additional information that can be useful for insurance claims or legal disputes. The camera comes with a free 32GB SD card, providing ample storage space for your recordings. The camera also has loop recording functionality, ensuring that you never run out of storage space. Overall, the Red Tiger 4K Full HD Dash Camera is an excellent device for anyone looking for a high-quality dash cam that is packed with features. The camera is easy to use, and the footage it captures is of exceptional quality. I would highly recommend this product to anyone looking for a reliable and feature-packed dash cam. Click the link in the video description for more details or to order. That's a wrap for our video on the top 5 best 107-tight wide-angle dual dash cams with built-in Wi-Fi and GPS. We hope this video was informative and helped you in your search for the perfect dash cam for your vehicle. Remember, investing in a high-quality dash cam can save you time, money, and hassle in case of an accident or incident on the road. The dual cameras, wide-angle lens, built-in Wi-Fi, and GPS features of the dash cams we featured in this video make them excellent options for anyone looking to protect themselves while driving. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more informative and engaging videos on technology and lifestyle. Until next time.